Once you have blow dried the top of your hair, now you want to go ahead and insert Velcro rollers. Velcro rollers are a great way to get the salon finish. It will give you more volume, stay throughout the day, as well as smooth and a soft bend on the ends. You want to use the size that only wraps around your hair one time. And you want to just grab a good amount of hair, nothing perfect, direct forward to again achieve the volume, and then start rolling back. And you still apply the 3 different sections so you have a nice balanced voluminous look. Because these are Velcro, they will stay without any clips in your hair. Once you've done the 3 parts in the front, in the crown, you can proceed to do the front in the direction that you usually part your hair. But again, over-directing. You don't need hairspray, but if you'd like to, and you don't want to use a hard hold but not a light hold, and you want to spray away from your face. And now you can finish blow drying the rest of your hair.